Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch someone's live on hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open hi5 application. Now click on the live option in the bottom section of your screen. Here in the top section of your screen, you can see different types of live that you can see according to your preference. Now tap on the live that you want to watch. And that is how you can watch someone's live on hi5. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.